with April Fool's Day around the corner, die 1 April is net om die draai, I'm starting to think about other stories that would be really good for your memoirs. Think about your April Fool pranks and write them down. So the one I'm thinking about happened a long time ago in 2000 when I was in my first year of studies, and I was with my boyfriend at the time, and we were talking about April Fools, and it was on the 1st of April. So I phoned my mum and told her we were going to get married and move to Germany, and we had everything planned. My mum went totally quiet. Next, I heard my dad's voice saying, "Nike, moet niks doen nie," saying, "Anay, don't do anything." And the phone went dead. A few seconds later, I phoned him back and yelled out, "April Fools!" So my dad loves telling this story today, and I was thinking about everyone involved. My poor mom, what did she think? And actually, I'm feeling a bit, regret, an amount of regret that I did that to her poor heart. En vandag wonder ek ook, want my pa se kant, dit moes vir hom verskriklik gewees het. Gelukkig, luckily it didn't last very long. But yeah, think about your April Fool's pranks, and is there a deeper meaning, or is it just really a funny story? And what does April Fool's mean to you?